Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Wallpapers and Style. Then let's tap on this Wallpapers section, and as you can see here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the bottom you've got also option More Wallpapers, and if you will give all the permissions it needs, you will be able to download some online wallpapers which are free of charge. However, be aware, because I believe you will need to have to be logged into your account. I think so. Yes, as you can see, we will have to log in. I don't want to waste the time, so let me just choose something from pre-installed options. Maybe this one. So just tap on the specific wallpaper in order to check it on the full screen, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Apply To. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Here you can also check the lock screen and the home screen, and as you can see here we've got the option color. So if you'll decide that you want to set a solid color into your background, then you can simply tap on this option, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. Right now we've got the gradient option set, but you can also set the solid color, you can change the intensity, you can go to those pastel options or those which are more vibrant. But I will match it to the lock screen, and then to confirm everything, simply tap on Apply in the right upper corner. And now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.